Hello and welcome to today's video. So today we are looking at a piece of AI software which in my opinion is the best in the marketplace. It's been around for a number of years and I'll just walk you through this, how this works, and then we will cover some of the different issues and problems that people have when they are using AI technology. Okay, so the website we are going to be looking at today is called Jasper. It used to be called Jarvis. Before that it was called conversion.ai. It's been around for a number of years. I'll show you this really quickly. Okay, so let me go over here to this and I'll show you this, and then I'll show you inside of the software. Then I'll share with you how you can actually use this to make money. And basically, if you want to go ahead and check this out, use that link what I've just typed in, or I'll put it down below as well for you. And you can see on here, you can actually try this out for 10,000 words completely for free. Now, this software over here, you can see the different companies that use this, and there's lots of stuff inside of here. Now, as I've mentioned, okay, you can use this for, you can see up here, we have got write blog articles, social media posts, website copy, YouTube videos, and there's lots of stuff you can do with this. Okay, it's absolutely awesome. So let me show you inside of the software, and then I'll share with you some different ways of making money with this, and then we'll come over to this over here, which is AI content detector, because a lot of these here, I know chat GPT is huge at the minute, isn't it? Everyone's diving on this, but a lot of the time if you take the content what is kicked out of there and run it through an AI content detector, a lot of the time it shows up that it has been created using AI. I've not found that to date using this software over here. So let me come over here and I'll go into the software and I'll show you this. And look, this will not be a long video, because if I was to show you everything that Jasper could do, it would probably run for about 3 or 4 hours. So inside of the software, I'll show you this very quickly. You have these over here. These are known as templates. And as you can see on here, there are lots and lots of different templates that you can use this software for. But obviously, we're interested in making money with this. So a really straightforward, and I mean very basic method would be, let's say we wanted to write an article about a product which we were an affiliate for. This can be an Amazon product, an eBay product, it could even be a ClickBank product, or something like that. So let's say we was going, in fact let's just go ahead and get a ClickBank link. So we'll come over here, okay, we'll go to clickbank.com. If you don't know, if you've not seen this website before, it's a huge affiliate network, and basically you can find products whereby you can sign up for free, and realistically within about 10 or 15 minutes you can get an account, and then you can get products which you can start promoting. And basically what that means is they will give you your own link. So if I come over here to the marketplace, if I come over here on the left, it's on the left hand side, we have different categories and different products, and basically inside of here you can go ahead and sign up for these products and become an affiliate for them, and it's pretty straightforward. So if I come over here, you can see we've got top offers, saved offers, or new offers, or you can basically search for this. So if you come over to the all category, and you can see these are categories, and you can find a product that you can become an affiliate for. So let's go ahead and find something. So let's come down here, let's go to health and fitness, and in fact, yeah, let's go in here and let's find something. So let's go to, I don't know, let's go with dental health. Let's see if there's some products in here whereby we can become an affiliate for. So look at this, monster in the dental niche. Average conversion is $128. One-time payment. There's an upsell in here, pretty straightforward. Let's go ahead, I'm going to click on there. It will open it up in a new page for us so we can have a look at the actual product. So this is the product, this is the sales page. Looks pretty good compared to some of the ones that are available over on ClickBank. Okay, so if I wanted to become an affiliate for this product over here, I come down here and I click on promote, and then basically it will say create a hop link. So if I click on there, now you see this here, this down here is my link. Okay, so I've now got an affiliate link. So if I come over here now, let me close the original one down. I'll open up a new page and I'll just paste that into here like so. And then what will happen is it will take me to the same web page here, but with my tracking ID along the top like so. So now if anyone lands on this page here and they go ahead and purchase this product, we will earn money, okay? Straightforward and simple. So this is the product, okay? So we now basically, so what is this? Oral health, fresh breath, da da da. So if I want to, create content around this, I would come over here. Now inside of Jasper, as I've said, you can use this for Facebook posts, YouTube videos, e-commerce, lots of things. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here to, let's go to this documents, okay? Now in here, I'm just going to click on start from scratch. Now, I'm basically going to be promoting this product here, so the health of your teeth and gums, okay? Health of your teeth and gums. So I'm going to copy this like so. I'm going to come back over here to Jasper, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to have the AI software create a complete article for me about this product, and then we're going to add our affiliate link. And then once I've got this, this content on here, I could do this in a number of ways. I could go over to a free website like medium.com and I could upload this onto there. I could create a free Google website and put the content on there. I could create my own. There's lots of ways we could do this. So on the left hand side here, look, content description brief. So I'm going to put in here, write an article about, in fact what I'll do is I'm going to come out with this. I'm going to go over to something which is a bit quicker. And it's called, let me go back over here to this, I'm going to go to one-shot blog post. So let's go over to blog, and we're going to come down here, and we're going to find, look, this here, one-shot blog post. So, blog topic. I'm going to paste that in here. Health of your teeth and gums, and then down here we've got tone of voice. I can change this to whatever I want. We can do excited, copywriter, giddy, basically anything. Once you've done this, you can also, if you click on here as well, it will tell you, look, witty, friendly, disappointed, polite, creative, etc. Come down here, look, who is this article for? People who are looking to, and again, you can change any of this. So let's come in here, people who are looking to have healthy teeth. And I'm doing this really quickly for the video. Come down here. Now, you see this here. If you are going to use the link down below, it gives you 10,000 free words. So just be careful with this, because a lot of the time it's set on for output. So when you click on generate, this will deduct from your 10,000 free words. So I'm going to take it down. Let me just take it down to 1, and I'm going to click on generate. Then what will happen here is, let me go down here, English, output, default. Yeah, there we go. So that's now working away in the background. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to let this run for, normally it's about 20 to 30 seconds, and it will give us a full article around this topic over here, the health of your teeth and gums. And if you don't like it, you can change it. But look, this is the title. Look, blog title, how to look after your teeth and gums. Then we come down here, we've got the blog body, so the main part of this, and we can see down here, and then we've got a conclusion part. Okay, now inside of here, let me move this. Okay, so if I click on here, this is the article. Okay, so I'm going to open this into documents like so, and I'm going to move my head back over here. And then inside of this documents, this is where I can play around with this. There's other options inside of here, you can see, but we're just going to come down here. So let's just say, for argument's sake, if I wanted to include my affiliate link somewhere within the article, I could, you can put it wherever you want, but you can say something like this. This is the best product to get the healthy, and again, I'm doing this really quickly, healthiest teeth and gums. Something like this, okay? Really quickly. Now here, if I highlight this like so, and you see this up here, add link, I click on there, and then I am going to paste in that link that we got from ClickBank earlier on. So let me jump over to, where's it gone? Is it there? Let me go back over onto ClickBank and get this. Here we go. So I'm going to copy this link here like so. Let me right click and copy, and then I am going to go back over into the, why is that not copying? Let me try this. Copy, there we go. I'm going to come back over here into the documents. I'm going to paste that into here and then enter. And now you can see that there is our affiliate link, okay? So I can basically take this article and put it wherever I want. But obviously, I want to make sure that this would not get penalized within search engines. So for this, we can use an AI detector. So like this, I'm going to paste this into here like that, and then I'm going to get rid of that where it says blog title. I'm going to get rid of blog introduction like this. I'm just going to go up here like so, come down here, blog body, clean your teeth regularly, diet matters, and all this. I'm just going to click on analyze text. And then, oh, you can see I think I've gone over the actual free limit. So let me come back over here. Let me just take out some of the bottom bit. Let's just do this. There we go. So now I'm just going to put that bit in there and I'm going to analyze the text. Look at that. 100% human generated content. So even these AI detectors do not pick up using Jasper, which is pretty cool to say the least. Now, the other thing here as well is inside of Jasper, they also have lots of training for you. But this, what we've looked at today, is literally just using one element of this, which is creating blogs. But let's say, we didn't want to create blogs or you didn't want to create a website. What you could actually do is, so you found the products that you want to become an affiliate for, like the one that we just looked at a second ago. We could then go onto a website like Quora and find people who are asking questions about, dental care, looking after your teeth, these sorts of things. We could come on here and we could go to templates. Now on here, they also have, let me scroll down and find it for you, they've got, believe it or not, a feature whereby you can basically use it to answer Quora questions. So look, Quora answers, intelligent answers for tough questions. So basically you can go over to Quora and how it works is you just paste in the question in here, and then over on the right hand side, once you've gone through all of this down here, it will give you the answer. So you could go onto Quora, look for people who are asking questions about dental care. You could put the question in here and then basically just go through these different commands down here and then hit on generate, and it will answer the question for you. And then you can take that content, you can put it over onto Quora. Look, there's lots of different features inside of here. I use this software for creating blog articles, niche websites. I also have this for YouTube scripts as well. So if I come down here to templates, click on, where's it gone? Video. Come over here, you can see, look, YouTube descriptions, there's video, TikTok captions, there is scripts and hooks, outlines, video titles, video topic ideas. So let's say, if I click on here, what topic would the video be about? The best way to look after your teeth, like so. Keyword to rank for, I'm just going to type in, let's just type in mouth hygiene. I'm going really quickly for you, mouth hygiene. And I'm just going to come down here and click on generate. And then what it'll do is it will give me some different topic ideas. And then what I can do is I can take these ideas and I could use an AI software like NVIDIA or Pictory or any of the ones that are available and have the softwares, I could write the whole script in Jasper and then I could take that over to a video software and just run it through there and have the video done. But you can see down here, look, it's given us lots of different ideas for YouTube videos. So how often to brush your teeth, and then we could expand upon that and lots more. Look, dental flossing, the best ways to do it, choosing the right toothbrush for you. So all of these here, these are all potential ideas, or you could even take these and use these as blog articles, and then you can just run them through the software and have it do its thing for you. But overall, in my opinion, with all of the different AI tools that are available in the marketplace today, and coming online, there's lots happening with ChatGPT. I've used it personally. I don't think it's anywhere near as good as Jasper, and a lot of the time, these AI content detectors will pick it up. So for the time being, I am still using and recommending Jasper.ai. So look, I'll drop a link to this down below. If you have any questions whatsoever, let me know. But thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.